everyone, welcome back to Dr. Kumar channel. Myself Dr. Sivajyoti. In our last video, we have seen what are the causes of the calf pain, how to manage it at home, and what are the precautionary measures to be taken, and when to consult the doctor. Now, in this video, you will be seeing the stretching exercises to reduce the calf pain, how to do the stretches, and how many repetitions should we do, and what are the ways to stretch the muscles we will be seeing in this video. Now, the first exercise is lying down supine in this position and doing the ankle movements. Already we have seen in our previous video what the ankle movement should be done. Now again I am going to demonstrate what the movements you should do for this stretching the calf as well as the exercise as an exercise for the calf muscles. First one is ankle moving upwards and downwards. Okay, do in this manner, upwards and hold it for the 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get it down. Hold this for the 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do this movement for the 10 repetitions and 2 sets and hold the each movement for the 5 counts. The next exercise is moving the ankle in the inward direction and the outward direction, that is we will say it as a inversion and eversion. Now move your ankle in the inward direction like this and then outward direction like this, inward and outward. Hold that for the 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again do in the inward direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next outward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do this for the 10 repetitions, 2 sets and with the 5 counts or the 5 seconds hold for the each exercise. And repeat it on the other side also. If you have any discomfort in the other leg also, you can repeat it on the other side also. Next exercise, stretching of the calf muscle. How to stretch the calf muscle. For this we can take the help of a belt or a towel. Now keep the belt or the towel around the foot. What we have to do is, we have to just pull the foot towards us with the help of a towel or belt. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do this exercise for the 10 repetitions, 2 sets and with a 5 counts or the 5 seconds hold each time. Next exercise is stretching of the hamstring muscles. These are the muscles which are present on the posterior aspect of our thigh. And this stretching of the hamstring muscles will help in relieving the pain over the leg. Now how to do this stretching of the hamstring muscles? There are the various methods are there for stretching the hamstring muscles. I will demonstrate you all the ways how to go for the stretching of the hamstrings, and whichever is comfortable you can go for that technique. The first one is sitting in this position, long sitting, we will say this as a long sitting. You try to reach your hand to the toe. Okay, this helps in stretching of the muscle over the posterior aspect of the thigh. Now reach it and hold it for the 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now come back. While you are doing this exercise, you can feel the stretch over the posterior aspect of the thigh. You can do this exercise for the 10 times, 2 sets and each exercise for the hold for the 5 counts or the 5 seconds. Now another way of stretching this hamstring muscles is you have to lie down flat. Now in this position we can stretch the hamstring muscles. So for this you need a belt or a towel. You can take anything whatever is available for you. Here I am showing with the help of the belt. Now what you have to do is take the belt around your ankle joint. See how the way I am doing it. Now with the help of this you can lift the leg and maintain the stretch. You can feel the stretch. Okay. Hold it for the 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get it down. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get it down. The same exercise should be done for the 10 repetitions, 2 sets with 5 seconds hold for each exercise. Next is stretching of the hamstring muscles in the standing position. For this we have to use a chair. Okay. Now what we have to do is the leg which has to be stretched should be kept forward on the chair. Now try to reach the leg, foot with the hand. Now you can feel the stretch on this. After reaching this position, hold it for the 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now relax. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. So this should be done for the 10 repetitions and as a 2 sets. Next exercise is forward lunges. This will help in stretching the calf muscles. Now for this we have to keep one leg forward. Okay. Now shift your body weight completely to the forward like this. Now you can feel the stretch on the leg which is there at the back side on the calf area. Again maintain this position for the 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to the normal position. Again do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this exercise I am keeping my right leg forward and the stretch is happening at the leg which is there at the behind, that is the left leg. Now repeat this exercise for the 10 repetitions for a 2 sets and each with a 5 counts hold. Next exercise, in sitting position we have to go for the heel rise and the toe rise. Now sit on a chair. Okay. Now go for the heel rise. Hold it for the 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to relaxed position. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is toe rise. Just lift up your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this manner you should do for the heel rise and the toe rise. 10 repetitions each movement. Do it for the 2 sets with a 5 counts hold. Next exercise is heel rise and toe rise in the standing position. We can do that in the sitting position also and we can do that in the standing position. And in the standing position again we can do with the help of the chair or without the chair. If you can able to do without the chair, you can do it. If you need a support, you feel that your balance is shifting, then you can take the support of the chair. Without the support of the chair, you can just go for the heel rise. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then go with the toe rise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you feel that your balance is getting out and you have the problem with the balance, then you can make use of take the support of the chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So do this exercise for the 10 repetitions. Each exercise for the 10 repetitions for the 2 sets. Next exercise is heel rise with a single leg support, that you can make use of the chair. So what you have to do is lift up your leg once, that is bend your leg once, and now you have to go for the heel rise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to the normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will show it on the other leg also. Lift up your leg. Now go for the heel rise of the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do this for the 10 repetitions and for 2 sets. Next exercise is heel rise and toe rise on the steps. For this we have to stand on a step. Now what we have to do is we have to go for the heel rise and toe rise. Now move backward. Just support your toes on the step and lower your body on the toes. Yeah, now come back. Support both your toes on the step. Now lower your body on the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, raise your heel up, supporting the weight on the toes. Raise your heel up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again do it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now do this exercise for the 10 repetitions at a 2 sets. Next exercise is stretching of the calf muscles onto the wall. Now for this we have to support our hands onto the wall. Now take one leg onto the front, support the leg to the wall. Now bend your body weight onto the forward leg. Now you can feel the stretch on the leg which is there on the back. Hold it for the 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now get back your leg and take out your hands. The same exercise I will be showing it to you again. Now place your hands onto the wall. Place the leg forward, one leg forward. Now bend, shift your body weight onto the leg which is there on the front. Now hold it for the 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Do this exercise for the 10 repetitions and the 2 sets. Next exercise, stretching of the calf muscle onto the wall. In this stretching, mostly the soleus muscle is the one which will be getting stretched in this exercise. Now what we have to do for this exercise is, now place the foot onto the wall. Now shift your body weight by bending the knee. Now you will feel the stretch on the leg which is placed onto the wall. Count it for the 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Get it back. Again repeat the same exercise. Put your leg forward onto the wall. Now shift your body weight onto the wall. Towards the wall. That's bending the leg, forward leg. Hold it for the 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Do this exercise for the 10 repetitions and 2 sets. Now you have seen the stretches to be done to reduce the calf pain. Do it once or twice in a day. If you like the video, share it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.